So now we'll move on to step 2. Step 2 is calculating Windows coefficients. Okay, so to calculate the Windows coefficient we'll be using Hanning window. So Hanning window is given by 0.5 plus 0.5 cos 2 pi n by n minus 1, where n ranges from minus n minus 1 by 2 to n minus 1 by 2. Okay, so for our challenge n is given as 11, so it becomes 0.5 plus 0.5 cos 2 pi n by 10, where n ranges from minus 11 minus 1 by 2, so minus 5 to 5. Even though this is the range, we'll be solving from 0.5 plus 0.5 cos, I'll cancel this 2 also, so it is pi n by 5, where n ranges from 0 to 5 alone will solve. For the 0 to minus 5 it will be symmetric. Okay, so I'm not going to solve for that. WH of n, so just substitute n equal to different values. So WHN of 0, if you substitute 0, cos 0 is 0, so it is 0.5 plus 0.5, it equal to 1. Similarly, WHN of 1 is equal to 0.5 plus 0.5 cos pi by 5, it is equal to 0.9045. Similarly, WHN of 2 is equal to 0.5 plus 0.5 cos 2 pi by 5, it comes to 0.655. Then we have WHN of this is 2, 3 is equal to 0.5 plus 0.5 cos 3 pi by 5, it comes around 0.345. okay, so WHN of 4, it is 0.4 plus 0.5 cos 4 pi by 5. If you solve for it, you'll be getting 0.0945. And the last part, WHN of 5 is equal to cos 5 pi by 5, it's 0.5 minus 0.5, it is 0. Okay, so now we have got the Windows coefficients. Okay, so I'll just list out the Windows coefficients. WHN of n is given as 1, 0.9045, 0.655, 0.345, 0.0945, and last 0. Okay, now we have got the Windows coefficients.